It's already been a big day, but we do have one more thing. This is a day that's been years in the making, one that I've really been looking forward to. I believe that augmented reality is a profound technology, blending digital content with the real world.
Apple recently conducted a keynote speech where they made several announcements. Welcome to Tech&Butter, where we keep you updated. To start with, in terms of AI-related announcements, they upgraded their autocorrect feature to use machine learning for more accurate word prediction.
Autocorrect is powered by on-device machine learning, and over the years, we've continued to advance these models. The keyboard now leverages a transformer language model, which is state-of-the-art for word prediction, making autocorrect more accurate than ever. And with the power of Apple Silicon, iPhone can run this model every time you tap a key. Autocorrect is also getting more capable, with refreshed design to better support you as you type. Sentence-level autocorrections can fix more types of grammatical mistakes. If an autocorrection isn't quite what you wanted, tapping the underlined word shows what you originally typed, with the option to quickly revert back to it. And in those moments where you just want to type a ducking word, well, the keyboard will learn it too. When it comes to speeding up your typing, predictive text already helps you quickly finish, add, or change a word. And now you'll get predictions in line as you type. So finishing a word, or even the whole sentence, is as easy as tapping the spacebar.
They also introduced a new journal feature powered by on-device machine learning, which suggests personalized writing ideas based on data from the user's iPhone.
Journal, a brand new app coming to iPhone later this year. Journaling is a great way to practice gratitude and has been shown to improve your well-being. Journal makes it easy to get started and enjoy these benefits. Using on-device machine learning, your iPhone can create personalized suggestions of moments to inspire your writing. Suggestions will be intelligently curated from information on your iPhone, like your photos, location, music, workouts, and more. And you control what to include when you enable suggestions and which ones to save to your journal. And for developers, suggestions will be available as an API, so they can be used in their apps too. Some suggestions are personalized and some are reflection prompts to inspire writing across a range of themes. You can pick any of them to start a new journal entry.
Apple's focus on AI is evident through their acquisitions of numerous AI companies and their research team dedicated to machine learning. Additionally, they are working on a health coaching service called Quartz, which uses AI and Apple Watch data to provide personalized health and wellness suggestions.
And today, we're excited to take this further with watchOS 10. We're celebrating this huge milestone with a new way to view information quickly from any watch face and comprehensive app redesigns across watchOS. This is such an energizing new approach for Apple Watch. Let's take a closer look. We're introducing a way for you to enjoy a beautiful watch face, like portraits, while still giving you quick access to information you care about. Now from any watch face, you can simply turn the digital crown to reveal widgets in a smart stack. I can start off my day with a glance at the forecast.
While Apple's AI initiatives may not be as widely publicized as those of its competitors, the company's dedication to quality and user experience makes them a significant player in the field.
It's already been a big day, But we do have one more thing. This is a day that's been years in the making, one that I've really been looking forward to. I believe that augmented reality is a profound technology. Blending digital content with the real world can unlock experiences like nothing we've ever seen. So today, I'm excited to announce an entirely new AR platform with a revolutionary new product. And here it is. Introducing Apple Vision Pro. Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that augments reality by seamlessly blending the real world with the digital world. It's the first Apple product you look through and not at. Vision Pro feels familiar, yet it's entirely new. You can see, hear, and interact with digital content just like it's in your physical space. And you control Vision Pro using the most natural and intuitive tools, your eyes, hands, and voice. With Vision Pro, you're no longer limited by a display. Your surroundings become an infinite canvas. Use your apps anywhere and make them any size you want. Capture photos and videos and relive your most important memories in an entirely new way. Watch your movies, shows, and sports, and immerse yourself in games on a giant screen surrounded by spatial audio. And connect with people as if you're sharing the same space. These are just some of the ways that Vision Pro blends digital content into the space around us.
Improving Siri and developing AI technology for autonomous vehicles, such as Project Titan, are also part of Apple's AI ventures. Through their acquisitions and research, Apple continues to innovate and contribute to the advancement of AI technology. This is Tech and Butter. Subscribe for more tech updates.